So this is the drawer glide assembly that's going to go into the right side of the drawer. And in order to allow the drawers to have clearance for the door with the hinge, we've got that hinge assembly that's over here and it's sticking out. I had to pop this drawer glide out a little bit. So we did that with 2 3/4-inch sheets of plywood that are measured to be exactly the same size as the drawer glide. So it's going to sit kind of like this. And in order to secure this in a way that I don't have to be drilling from the inside of the drawer, I'm going to do this in a couple of, I'm going to drill a bunch of different holes. So I've marked out what I need. So the first thing we do is, after you cut this to size, is to mark the holes to mount this on. So those are these little circle holes here. The circle, circle, circle. Okay, those are going to use screws like this and this, smaller screws. And then we're going to secure this piece to this piece on my lines with these holes, and I wrote CS here for countersunk. I'm going to go in with a countersinking bit right in here, and I'm going to put in this kind of a screw here, which will reach through the 3/4 inch and hold it there, but not really pop out the other side, so just slightly countersunk. And then here, I'm going to drill holes right here with a regular drill bit straight through. And then when I get into the cabinet, what I'm going to do is put this into the cabinet at exactly the right height. And I'm going to drill, drill, drill. It's going to pop out the other side of the cabinet. I'm going to go to that popped out side, countersink in. Then I'm going to put a screw through. Once I build up my whole assembly, I can put it all in as an assembly, and I don't have to do any screwing in the box. I just come in from the outside, right through, and I've attached it. Okay, it's really tough to work in there and get your head into an 11-inch space. Not enough light, not enough room for the drill to move comfortably.